And today, so here's one of my favorite guns, airsoft guns, sniper. This gun is over $100. If you buy it, you get 2 mags. Pretty good. Now, I put my own laser on there, but you can put your own attachment, like a flashlight or a laser like me. This gun has like about over 400 FPS. Really strong. Alright, so when I bought mine, it didn't come with a scope, but I bought this one for maybe over $50 somewhere internet, but try to look at the scope. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good gun. Bolt action. So, try to load it like that. Back. Shoot it. Yeah. Sound like this. So. Now we can go shoot it. Alright. So. Oh, this gun does have a toggleable pop-up. Right there. Alright. This mag isn't full, but I'm just gonna shoot it. I'm gonna try shooting them off, same exact position. That's it. Alright. Let's see what we did. Alright. Oh. See, this gun is very accurate. It's aiming right there. Got a lot of them in there. This gun does go further because it's a sniper. You can like see that. It's a lot further. So it's accurate. Goes through. It's pretty good. So yeah.